2025 Honda Gold Wing GCT, the ultimate touring revolution. The Honda Gold Wing has always been a symbol of luxury, comfort, and long-distance capability. But for 2025, Honda has reimagined what a touring motorcycle can be. Introducing the 2025 Honda Gold Wing GCT, a next-generation machine that blends tradition with advanced technology, delivering a riding experience unlike anything before it. A legacy reinvented. For nearly 5 decades, the Gold Wing has been a benchmark in the touring motorcycle world. Riders associate it with reliability, comfort, and engineering perfection. The new GCT version, short for Grand Comfort Touring, continues that legacy but introduces a modern identity. Honda has taken the core of what made the Gold Wing iconic and rebuilt it around innovation, focusing on aerodynamics, digital integration, and hybrid performance. Design and aerodynamics. The 2025 Gold Wing GCT takes on a more streamlined and sculpted look compared to its predecessors. Its front fairing is sharper, with improved wind tunnel-tested aerodynamics that enhance stability at highway speeds. Honda has introduced active air flaps and adjustable vents that automatically adapt to speed and temperature, optimizing airflow for rider comfort. The LED lighting system is redesigned with a futuristic touch, slimmer headlights, dynamic indicators, and a signature wing line that runs along the sides of the fairing. Even the mirrors are aerodynamically shaped, reducing drag and wind noise on long rides. Power and performance. Underneath its elegant body lies the heart of a beast, the legendary 1833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine, now upgraded with Honda's new GCT hybrid assist system. This mild hybrid setup integrates an electric motor that provides an extra boost during acceleration and improves low-speed control. The system not only enhances performance but also improves fuel efficiency by up to 10%. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT, has been refined for smoother gear transitions, especially at low speeds or during cornering. Riders can choose between multiple riding modes, Tour, Sport, Econ, and Rain, each adjusting throttle response, suspension settings, and hybrid assist levels. The Gold Wing GCT isn't just powerful, it's smart and adaptive. Comfort and touring innovation. Comfort has always been the Gold Wing's strongest point, and Honda has taken it to new heights in 2025. The seats now feature advanced memory foam with active ventilation and heating. The passenger seat has been widened and includes adjustable armrests and a reclining backrest. Honda's engineers focused on rider ergonomics, reducing handlebar vibration and redesigning footrest positions for long-distance comfort. The windscreen now features smart electrochromic tinting, automatically adjusting its transparency based on sunlight intensity, a first in its class. The GCT also introduces adaptive ride height, a system that lowers the seat automatically when the bike stops, making it easier to manage for riders of all sizes. Technology and connectivity. In the digital era, the Gold Wing GCT stands as a technological masterpiece. The new 12.3-inch curved TFT display offers split-screen functionality, allowing navigation, music, and performance data to be viewed simultaneously. Honda has integrated Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the new Honda Ride Plus OS, which provides over-the-air updates, trip analytics, and AI-powered route suggestions. The sound system, co-developed with Bose, delivers an immersive audio experience that automatically adjusts volume and tone based on speed and wind noise. Another highlight is the smart key system with proximity detection. Riders can start the bike, unlock luggage compartments, and even adjust suspension presets with a single tap on their phone. Safety and rider assistance. The 2025 Gold Wing GCT features the latest in Honda's safety suite. The bike includes radar-based adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, and collision warning. The new corner assist system uses gyroscopic sensors and predictive traction algorithms to ensure stability even during sharp turns or sudden lean adjustments. Additionally, Honda's emergency stop signal and vehicle-to-vehicle communication enhance safety by alerting nearby vehicles during sudden braking or hazardous road conditions. Luggage and practicality. Touring demands space, and the Gold Wing GCT provides it in style. The side panniers and rear trunk now offer a total of 65 liters of storage, with an automatic soft-close function. The trunk can fit 2 full-face helmets, and there's a wireless charging pad inside for gadgets. The bike's center of gravity has been recalibrated to maintain balance even when fully loaded, giving it a confident feel on highways and mountain passes alike. Price and availability. Honda has announced that the 2025 Gold Wing GCT will be available in 2 trims, the standard GCT and the Tour GCT Plus, which includes the hybrid assist and radar safety systems. Pricing starts around $28,000, while the fully loaded version reaches up to $34,000. Buyers will have a choice of stunning colors including crimson pearl, midnight silver, and deep sapphire blue. Deliveries are expected to begin in M.